Okay, so we are at 7-Eleven East Coast Park, and we are going for a slow ride to Marina Barrage. Okay, somebody's got a new ride. Are we ready?
Yes.
Alright, let's go. We are halfway to Marina Barrage. We are supposed to take that bridge, but we took a detour instead to check out somebody's new ride. This is Giant Stands for 2020. So are you happy with your new ride? Okay, you can have your bike.
Can do that.
So is this really a shortcut?
It looks like, yeah, but it's going to be a cool shortcut because we're going to go through this soft trail.
Okay, alright, let's go. Okay, so we took the wrong turn and tada! So we are going to cross back into the PCN. Okay, we have arrived Marina Barrage. This is the aftermath of taking the shortcut. Okay, so you have completed your running in of your bike. So how's the stands?
Ooh, it's so plush. It eats all that comes along its way. And it actually makes it so plush that I never even noticed that there was harm all over the place. Marvelous.
Marvelous. Okay, so we are going to take a break here, and then we'll be going home afterwards. Okay, enjoy the view.